Saltwater survivor. Can plants survive without fresh water? There is a dwindling supply of fresh water on our Earth, and there needs to be an alternative way to water plants. I was searching for another way to water them. What reaction will grass plants have to a variety of increased salinity levels? If determining that the variety of increased salinity levels can be tolerated by grass, then the grass will be able to survive. The salinity in polluted water contaminates fresh water. Salt absorbs the fresh water that the plants consume. Plants that are polluted can be seen with withering leaves, discoloration, stunted growth, or death. What was needed to conduct the experiment included 12 grass plants, sea salt, filtered water, potting soil, measuring cups, a salinity probe, and a ruler. The independent variable was the salinity in the water. The dependent variable was the height of the plants and if it grows or adapts. The control variables included the amount of sunlight, the amount of water, the temperature of the room, and the times each plants get watered. I placed 12 plants arranged into 4 groups of 3 in a line facing a window. They were labeled 3 with fresh water, 3 with 1 ppt, 3 with 3 ppt, and 3 with 5 ppt. Measuring cups were filled with 120 milliliters cool water and were poured into each of the 3 freshwater plants. The same was done to the saltwater plants, except the required amount of salt, which was measured with the salinity probe, was added to the water. The steps were repeated for 14 days, and height and observation were recorded. The plants that were watered with fresh water had grown the most and fastest out of all types of grass. The final average height was 14.83 centimeters. They had started to grow on days 4 and 5. The grass grown with 1 ppt of salinity grew, but not as high or as quickly as the freshwater plants did. They had a final average height of 6.67 centimeters, and they had started growing on days 8 and 9. The results for plants watered with 3 and 5 ppt had not grown at all due to the overpowering of salinity. Overall, out of all water types, the grass watered with fresh water and 1 ppt of salinity had grown the most and fastest. Fresh water with the highest average of 14.83 centimeters and 1